Hello, in this video I'll show you an easy way to measure the Darlington power chips to the VFD inverters. These output 24 volts for the digital direction signals, and these are the analog ones, which they measure from 0 to 9 volts, 0 to 10 volts for the speed. So an easy way to check it without applying power to the 24 volts input here is just to measure the signal, the lower level signal goes through when you have only the USB connected. This should measure around 3. Let me see how much it measures. 3.836. That's what you measure here. That's what passes through the chips there. So when you apply 24 volts there, this will be 24 volts, of course. Now normally you just connect it there, and you measure the you press the buttons here to change the direction to measure it. I'm just gonna like you can see here, you have to press the buttons to change direction on this here, and of course you have to have a potentiometer connected exactly on the set point 50% to be able to measure it there. So you can bypass that. Let me disconnect the potentiometer, show you. Let me get out of here. Now an easy way on the new firmware, this is with 2.3, you can switch the dip switch number 4 up on position and the LCD update to off. Now what it does, it goes to a little test mode which increases the analog speed from 0 to 255, which is the full speed. It then changes the direction inputs one by one, so you can check its direction. Let's see, for example, pin 1. You can see it's switching from 0 to 3.7, which is very close to what you measured here for the 24 volt inputs, 3.8. So there's a little drop there, which is fine. So you can go to the next pin and the next pin and make sure that it's within the lower value is 0.0 something. It can be 0.05, which is fine. Anything higher than 0.1 is not good. It's probably bad. It's not conducting the ground correctly, so this has to be replaced. So let me check the analog ones with no 24 volts input. So you can see it goes up to 2.5 volts, almost 2.6 volts, which is fine. You can use this to check it, see if the analog chips are working fine. But of course it starts from 0 again. Now if I apply 24 volts here, let me connect my 24 volts. I'm gonna connect them with the heater here. Bypass the connector, but you should just connect to the connector to be safe. Of course I can measure now my 24 volts here, if I can reach it. What happened? Oh, okay. And then you can see here, this is, it goes up to 10 volts. It doesn't have chance to check it. Let me see here this. You can see 2 to 3 volts and 0 volts. Okay. And the next one. Okay, so that's an easy way to check it using the tip switch 4 to on position and all the rest in off position. If I turn it off, it will stop. You can switch back to the normal operation. And connect the potentiometer. Okay, everything should be okay again. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.